44 Affirmations for Building Wealth. I am worthy of abundance and financial prosperity. I have the power to create wealth and financial freedom. I am in control of my financial future. I believe in my ability to attract wealth and success. I am focused and dedicated to building my wealth. I am confident in my financial knowledge and skills. I choose to surround myself with successful and wealthy individuals. I am grateful for the blessings of abundance in my life. I am disciplined and proactive in managing my finances. I take calculated risks to grow my wealth. I am open to new opportunities for financial growth. I am committed to continuous learning and improvement in wealth building. I have a positive mindset towards money and abundance. I am capable of creating multiple streams of income. I am proud of my financial accomplishments and always strive for more. I believe in the power of saving and investing for my future. I make wise and informed financial decisions. I am disciplined with my spending and prioritize my wealth-building goals. I am determined to reach financial freedom. I am focused on creating long-term financial stability. I appreciate the value of hard work and persistence in building wealth. I understand the importance of budgeting and financial planning. I am willing to make sacrifices for my financial goals. I am patient and persistent in the pursuit of wealth. I have a healthy relationship with money and abundance. I am grateful for the resources and opportunities available to me. I trust the universe to support my financial success. I am optimistic about my financial future and the possibilities it holds. I am confident in my ability to overcome financial challenges. I am committed to growing my wealth through entrepreneurship and innovation. I have faith in my financial journey and the outcome it will bring. I understand the importance of diversifying my investments. I am proactive in seeking out new opportunities for financial growth. I am grateful for the abundance that surrounds me and for the abundance to come. I am proud of my financial discipline and ability to manage my wealth. I am always looking for ways to increase my income and build my wealth. I have a strong work ethic and am dedicated to my financial success. I am not afraid to ask for help and seek guidance in building my wealth. I choose to live within my means and prioritize my financial goals. I am grateful for the knowledge and resources available to me for building wealth. I acknowledge my past financial experiences as opportunities for growth and learning. I am committed to my financial education and growth. I am focused on creating a secure financial future for myself and my loved ones. I am thankful for the abundance and prosperity in my life and for the abundance to come.